What's up, guys? Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we're back with Guaranteed Leads IO. This thing is smoking hot. Okay, it's been producing like nobody's business. All right, the best source for automated leads and automated cash flow. The link is in the description. Go check it out. You can check out all my opportunities at www.getpaidfromhome.info. You want to check this out. Next level automated home business success. All right, endless stream of targeted leads. You're going to see the capture page. All right, below. Then you want to opt in. You want to watch this video, just like it says. Watch this. This is going to explain the program. Okay, Guaranteed Leads IO is your problem solver, affiliate system, and marketing hub designed to connect you to the cash flow and to some of the best automated lead and communication solutions available in the industry. All right. You're going to get a website like this. You're going to have the same website. All right. Endless stream. So in the back office, there is a vendor that offers, like it says here, third-party, high-quality targeted leads. This company also will communicate with these leads. These are interviewed leads. This company is going to communicate with your leads on your behalf. They're going to send them text messages. They're going to email them. These people have already raised their hand and said they're interested in a home-based business opportunity. They've been interviewed. They have said they can spend up to $400 on a home-based business opportunity. Okay, so all you're going to do is provide this company in the back office the link you want them to send to these leads. Okay, they're going to communicate with them. Then once these leads, anytime anybody clicks on your link, this company, this vendor is going to send you an email and a text to say, hey, you got a hot lead. Okay, they're going to send you every day. First of all, they're going to email you the name, email, and phone number of all the leads. That's number one. Then once these people click on the link that you give them to send to these leads, they're going to send you another email and text, and they're going to specify hot lead. Okay, so that lets you know that this person they have clicked that link, they've watched the website, they've gone to the website and watched the video. So now is the time to strike. Go ahead and reach out to them and introduce yourself. Let them know who you are. Okay, so that's what it gives you in the picks and shovels in the back office. But on the front end side, you get this marvelous system with capture pages, okay, an autoresponder that allows you to be able to earn these $75 commissions, endless streams of commissions of $75. So in order to get access to this vendor in the back office, you got to first purchase this system. This system is $125 one time, no monthly fees. You're able to earn $75 commissions over and over and over any way you want. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. Okay, that's number one, or credit card. All right, guys, so get access to this, the power of one. Remember, you earn commissions on your first sale. When you combine GL, which is Guaranteed Leads IO, with the lead generating services, you create an extremely powerful money-making system. A system where 95% of the work is done for you. And once qualified, you're going to earn these $75 commissions. All right. It's a real simple comp plan, nothing complicated. Your very first sale, you make $75. Your second sale will pass up. It has what they call the reverse one up. So that second sale passes up. And the third sale and beyond, okay, you're going to keep all those sales. So everybody that signs up with you is going to owe you their second sale, guys. Okay, that's powerful. Okay, leverage. So it's a great little system for $125. Capture pages, autoresponder, email series, follow up, all for the $125, and then access as they say, a hub. That's what this is. So you're going to get access to that vendor that I'm talking about. And you're going to be able to promote your primary business. You're going to be able to put that in your back office so that when people sign up with you, they can click a link and they can see what your primary business is, and they may sign up with that too. So that's additional possibility of you earning more commissions, multiple income streams in one system. Also, that vendor in the back office, you're going to be assigned, once you set it up, you're going to go set it up. That vendor will also offer you referral commissions. If someone decides they want to purchase services from that vendor that's in the back office, you're going to share your link. You're going to put your link in the back office. If someone purchases that, the company is going to send you a commission for that as well, guys. So you're going to be earning the $75 commissions. You're going to be earning commissions on that lead services in the back office, and possibly your primary business is going to be promoted in the back office. Somebody may sign up with you in that. Okay, so it's endless possibilities and possible income streams, okay, with one system. One-stop shop for promoting multiple income opportunities. Great little system for $125. All right, you cannot beat it. Picks and shovels. That's where you're going to see it in the back office. So once you log in, once you're a paid member, okay, you're not going to see any of this until you're a paid member. You're going to see this, and this is called Picks and Shovel. Click that button, and you're going to see where the targeted leads. The company for that, they offer automated SMS communication, email marketing, and lead marketing. Okay, I think it's a great deal. You're able to put your picture on this page, so it's coded to you with your phone number, so people can reach out to you if they have any questions. Then they have this little FAQ right here, a little frequently asked question, little section. That's it. Not a whole bunch of hoopla. Okay. Very simple program, but very affordable. $125. People spend $125 going to dinner. Very easy. Okay, that's easy. So now you can invest $125 one time into a business opportunity. All you need is a smartphone or smart device, guys. Very simple. All right, so let's take a look at the back office. This is the sales page. Look at the back office, and we'll look at the capture pages. Then you can get started today. Okay, we're in the dashboard, as you can see right here. To the left, contacts. This is where all your are going to be when people opt in. You can click leads. You can see their name and email, etc. Right here is the marketing funnels. You can see the capture pages, the landing pages. So let's take a look at the capture pages. They have several for you to choose from. Take a look. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 capture pages, guys, for $125 one time. This is awesome. Okay, select one of these, run you some traffic. If you don't want to do the vendor services, you can just run traffic, or you can do both. I do both. Okay, so you got your capture pages here. You got your sales page, which I just showed you. That's what we were on. You have tools, okay? Tools right here, stats. Okay, under tools is stats, so you can see, you know, all the stats, email, autoresponders here. You can send a broadcast from here. You can email all your leads right from your back office. They have banners, and then you can track. There's a tracking mechanism in there for analytics purposes. Resources, guys, they have resources right here. I'm not going to click it. And then get started. And then, of course, the picks and shovels that I'm talking about, that's where the diamond is back there. And then picks and shovels. And then, of course, right here, referrals, where all your referrals are listed. Amazing. All right, guys. All right, guys, that's it. I've shown you guys proof before on this. I'll put some links in the description so you can look at some of my previous videos on this program, but it is fire and it's very affordable. $125, guys. You can get in today. All right. If you have any questions, give me a shout out. go check it out. Watch this video. That's number one. Definitely watch this. Then jot down your questions. Give me a call if you have any. But look forward to you getting started in this program. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.